So let's get behind it here. What I'm trying to say is that you need to put it in by hand first. Let's see what we got here. There. Walk it in as far as you can get it. There she goes. Those probably take the locking nuts. So let's see how far it will go though. There's that one. I'll do the other side. It's the same as that side. And then I'll point it towards you. Okay. You might have to line it up. There it goes. Okay. I'll bring it around. See if you can see it. I guess you can. And I want to tighten this down some more. So far I haven't had to watch any videos. And I will put the battery in it. The batteries, 2 AAAs. Okay. Now I need to put the, I don't know why it needs so many screws in it. This is all, well, it's sort of moving. So let's put the front ones in. There you go. I've watched no videos on how to do this. Everything I've done in life, probably, I never had to, not everything, a lot of things. I never needed to watch anybody do it. Okay. Ratchet wrench. Tighten this down a little more. Go to the other side. Tighten that one down. You make that noise? The dog is growling. I guess he thinks that this is something to growl about. Okay, in the front. Go over to the other side and do that side too. Good enough.